Hi, my name is Lazarow, and I'm the director of the Planning Analytics practice at Revelwood. Today I'm going to show you some shortcuts that you can use when creating new models in PAW. So as you know, creating a model consists of creating a series of items. You create your dimensions, you create your cubes, your processes, and your chores. Legacy tools such as Architect require that you do this one piece at a time, and that you do that by right-clicking on the name of a component. So PA allows you to do the exact same thing. So on the screen, I've got a list of cubes. If I wanted to create a new cube, I could simply right-click. I could choose the option that says Create Cube, and I start filling in the wizards. This approach is good when I'm creating one piece, but sometimes it gets to be a little bit awkward if I've got long lists and if I have to create multiple pieces and navigate back and forth. So PA gives you the ability to have a shortcut for your modeling tools up at the very top. If I expand the section called Modeling Tools, there are direct links to create my components, create a dimension, create a cube, a process, and a chore. And if I were to choose one of the options, I'm going to choose Create a Cube, brings me to the exact same wizard. By using this approach, this allows you to quickly create the components you need for your PA models without having to scroll through all the different screens. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it helped you learn more about modeling within Planning Analytics. Please visit our website at revelwood.com to learn more about us and how we can help you enhance your modeling experience.